Is supersizing your business a matter of life and death? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom for today, our business-related idiom is matter of life and death, a matter of life and death. This idiom was first recorded in 1849, and it, of course, alludes to a situation or something that is of such dire urgency, it is a matter of life and death, meaning someone could actually perish if it doesn't happen. And that someone might be you when it comes to supersizing and growing your business. What to you, as you're growing and building your business, is a matter of life and death? So urgent, so important, so necessary. You got to do it because you're either called to do it. It's part of your why you do the thing that you do, why you're creating the business that you are, or some other passion project, or it's just such a part of your being and your identity that you're driven and internally motivated to make it a reality. I think a lot of entrepreneurs feel that way, and they're not sure exactly what they're supposed to be doing, but they know they're here to change the world and make the world a better place. And how they go about doing that, it's going to be different for everybody. But I think if you've got that inside of you, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you don't, you have no clue what I'm talking about. And you probably think I'm stark raving mad. Which is cool, because some things to me are a matter of life and death, but not very many things anymore. The older I get, the more reasonable I am in my choices and my passions and my decisions. But there are still things that I just won't bend in. I've got that line in the sand drawn for me, not for anybody else. You get to decide for you. I get to decide for me what is right for me, my life, my purpose, how I want to show up in the world, and how I'm going to build and grow in my business, who I'm going to work with, who I'm going to serve, who I'm going to partner with, who I'm going to not partner with, how I'm going to show up in the world, even if I have a crazy background. Obviously home from traveling with my crazy background again, which I promise will change, probably not until the new year. I've got a bunch of projects going on that I need to wrap up this year and continue my planning and projecting for next year. So changing my background isn't a huge and high priority. Besides, this is a collection of things that have made me happy throughout my life and that have just spoken to me this year, so they end up in my background. I could do a super professional background like everybody else does, but this is me, right? So it's all about being yourself. All right, I would love to know today, what to you is a matter of life and death? Now, I personally think it should say life or death, because you're either going to do one or the other. You're either living or dying, not usually doing both simultaneously, though a lot of people are living a life of quiet desperation, and to me that's as bad as death. We just haven't transformed yet, or transitioned, whatever you like to call it, or died. So what to you is a matter of life and death, life or death, whichever version you prefer? Share in the comments below, because I personally am dying to know. Have an awesome day, and I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. Where does it come from? What does it mean? If we can find the origin of it, and how you might be able to use it and apply it in your business. Have a great day. I'll be with you tomorrow.